Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you the science fiction office chair. It came out like a science fiction movie. It's a really, really nice one. You can see how smooth it is. Not only that, it is super smooth, but take a look at this. Take a look at right here, the back over here. This modular support over here is amazing. It's fantastic. It gives you like a really, really nice support on your back. And also this right here, the lumbar support, you can actually move it and adjust it as well. But this right here is so comfy. I don't think I ever tried a chair like this. You can tilt this headrest, of course, and also modify the height as well. And you can modify the height of the entire chair if you like. So take a look at this. This right here, you're gonna just lift it up to the top, and then it goes down, or you can just lock it at any height you want. Like for example, this one right here. So now it's locked. The same right here for the headrest. So the whole thing moves and adapts to your body, as you can see over here. And the lumbar support, we can also adjust the height. It is so nice. Just pair with the entire ergonomic chair in this modular kind of like support over here that you can see that moves and adapt to your body, to your back, to your lower back as well. It feels so nice. It is a tall chair. I'm 5'10". I weigh 190 pounds. And by the way, this one supports up to 350 pounds. But you can see that my head rests perfectly right here on the headrest. Another thing that I really like about this one is, take a look at this. These are a little bit padded, but take a look. You can go backwards, you can go forward, in an angle inside, in an angle outside, and also modify the height. So I think that's super nice, and of course really good for gamers as well. But if you thought that was all, you can take a look at this right here. On the side, you're gonna find a few things. So this right here, it is for sliding the seat right here. Let me see if I can do it on this way, actually, because I don't have my good hand. So this is for sliding the seat over here. So if I want to put it kind of like more on the back, the only thing I need to do is just like lift this handle over here. So I have a better position here, and you can see that I can just lift this and move the seat up front and backwards as well, and just lift it up. If I wanted it there, I can just like lock it, or just put it all the way to the back again. And that's not everything. I also have this right here, which is a really nice dedicated footrest. So it's more for your whole legs and your ankle, but this pair with the headrest, the lumbar support, and the footrest is gonna give me, take a look at this. This right here, I'm gonna unlock it. So now it's unlocked. No, now it's locked. Sorry about that. And now it's unlocked. Oh, wow. This is so comfy. Gives me this really nice chilling experience with this modular support over here, the lumbar support, the headrest, and the footrest. I think this is fantastic. And if I wanted to put it back, I just do this and lock it back and just set back all this all the way to the bottom. I like it. This is a very comfy chair made of mesh, breathable, 350 pounds, easy assemble, and this thing right here came out of the science fiction movie, and I think it's great. I'm gonna give it a huge thumbs up, 110% recommended. I love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.